the semiconductor industry is in dire need of an America-China deal. They get access to them again, it's game time. If anybody need it, they need it. They can't thrive without having access to China. They're gonna be good, but what China is doing, they need that. So shout out to Nvidia, man. Like, we ain't mad at it. Tech stocks saw the biggest outflows for the third week, close to a record underweight by active funds. Clients bought stocks in 6 sectors led by financials, discretionary, and industrials. Somebody asked me something the other day and they said, Trap, like outside of tech, where do you see the market going? I said, bro, financials and industrials. That was on a call. I said financials, consumer staples, and industrials, bro. And that's it, bro, because as long as they don't have when they see, watch this how you know we in a different, this how you know the market has gained a little confidence. We saw 3 IPOs. We saw 3 IPOs take place. That's a clear sign that they found some confidence in the market. Companies don't IPO in horrible markets. They don't. Why? Because it's hard to get the bread. Your stock immediately gonna fall. So the market gotta have some type of footing for companies to IPO. The market has to have some type of footing. Somebody say, I don't think it's scarcity mindset. That's cool. I mean, we all got different approaches to the market. I ain't mad at that. For us, I think it is. You know what I'm saying? I think if you spend, we're not day trading. So, and even with day trading, like there's rules you gotta follow. And you gotta ask yourself, like, what are the rules that you following? Right? You won't find an experienced trader that says, see profit, take profit. Because they go into the trade with a plan. And the plan is, what am I expecting this trade to do? What am I gonna get out of this trade? Where would I take profit at? What do I do if this trade goes against me? Every good trader that I know, that's the mindset. So in my perspective, if you go see profit, take profit, that means, one, you are not sure about the trade, or you're uncertain of your rules, or you're just gambling, right? But no trader that I know that has rules will ever say, see profit, take profit. No trader that I know, whether you day trading, swing trading, anybody, they're gonna have rules. They're gonna wait for, hey, this candle confirm what I see, this supply demand zone confirm what I see, this pattern has set up for what I see. Every trader I know gonna do that. Everyone, you're not confident in what you're seeing, which is why you say see profit, take profit. Because you're not confident in what you're seeing. You haven't let the trade confirm. You haven't got confirmation from the trade. You haven't let the pattern show up. You letting the market and the news dictate why you see profit, take profit. You getting 1-to-1 every time. If you go see profit, take profit, you getting a 1-to-1 trade every time or less. That's what see profit, take profit mean. See profit, take profit mean as soon as I see a little profit in it, I'm taking it. No matter what it is. That means you don't got, what's your trade thesis? What's your trade thesis? What made you get there? And when you got there, what are you saying? Hey, I see this can hit this based on, like I said, hey, like I was looking at a play. I said, hey, I see these three white soldiers. I was telling Sean this. Hey, I see these 3 white soldiers. Based on these 3 white soldiers, son, this next candle, I should get in this trade because it's literally, that's why we got in was it PNW? I forgot what it was. I was like, yo, you see these 3 white soldiers? I can't think of what play we got in the Patreon. It's because we saw the 3 white soldiers. I said, oh, the 3 white soldiers is a 100% a bullish pattern, right? So, boom, let's see what the next candle is. Oh, we getting into it. We saw it decreasing. Me and Sean was looking at a trade today, and I said, hey, Sean, you see, we was looking at, we be looking at so many on here, but we saw the pattern go, and then we saw the doji candles coming up. Then we saw that that gravestone. I say, hey, Sean, this trade is getting a little exhausted right here, bro. You see this gravestone, Joji? I say, it's getting a little exhausted. Let's just see what it do. Why am I saying that? Right? Because I don't got it. One, I can be patient to get in the trade. Two, I don't got to get out the trade soon the trade makes some money. I'm not trying to get one-to-ones. You won't get one to me. I'm one. You know, most people say 1 to 2. I want that thing to run. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, but that's just me. I'm not saying you wrong. See profit, take profit could 100% be a strategy. I'm not mad at it. We all gonna have different perspective. Guess what? If you making money in the market, that's always my thing, because that ain't easy at all. You know what I'm saying? If you making money in the market, my hat gonna go to you, because I know how hard it is. So salute you for that. Let's go a little further, Jose. All hail King, man. Nvidia. Nvidia claims the crown as the world's most valuable company. It has now taken Microsoft. It took Apple. Yo, hey, Nvidia, hey, I promise you. Jinxing. Come on, boy. Hey, they been had, hey, y'all call me Black Hat Trap. Black Jacket Gin.
He on brand.
Black Jacket Gin. You know what I'm talking about? It can hit that 153, cuz. It can hit that 153, cuz. It can hit that 153, cuz. Especially, no, I will say this. The semiconductor industry is in dire need of an America-China deal. They get access to them again, it's game time. If anybody need it, they need it. They can't thrive without having access to China. They're gonna be good, but what China is doing, they need that. So shout out to Nvidia, man. Like, we ain't mad at it. Let's go a little further, man. Joby Aviation shares pop as electronic air taxi closes on a $250 million Toyota investment. The payment is part of a previously announced deal from the car maker to invest $500 million in the company to support certification and commercial production of its electric air taxis. This the world we going to. My question is, I ain't getting in that shit.
That was my question. They gotta get the bugs out for me. Give me another 5 to 10 before.
No, I'm not getting in that. I'm not mad at traffic that much where I gotta get in a flying car.
And a little multi-copter taxi.
I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at traffic that much. I'm not in that of a hurry. So watch this, if you get air taxis, you then gotta have air police.
And that's what I'm saying. Like, who was involved in that?
How do you run a red light in the air? What's the rules up there?
Where you land?
What's the rules up there, Jose?
Right.
You know how long they work to put rules on the ground?
Yeah. What's the speed limit?
Bro, yellow light means slow down. People speed up.
Definitely out in Atlanta. I don't know what they're gonna do. This crazy.
What are the traffic rules in the air? Now you gotta hire traffic air police.
What if you catch a flat in one of your propellers? I'm just saying.
Flush Jose, man.
Watch.
How you gonna catch a flat in the propeller?
Not a flat, but it just go down. One of the propellers engines go down. What you gonna do? Bruh, that's gonna be crazy. They gonna be on IG Live or TikTok Live.
Oh my God.
Propellers.
They say a flat in the propeller. Man, flush Jose, man. Bro, why you came up with that? That was on the fly too.
Oh yeah, it just.
A dog said, what happens if you
George
catch a
said
flat
PG County.
propeller? A flat propeller.
Oh.
That's gangster.
But no, I get in that joint about 10 years.
No, I'm not getting it up. I'm straight, dog.
That's a mark my word.
Nah, man, I'm straight. I'm straight, dog. I'm not mad at traffic that bad. And bro, what's the rules? Who can drive it? So you got an Uber taxi now. So now you got, hey, I got a brand new, who's driving it?
How old you gotta be?
Now you got AI driving it?
Do you
I
gotta
don't want
get a
you driving me
learner?
on the ground. What happens if the robot malfunctions in the air? Yeah, Bernard ready for the chip. He won't put the chip in our arm. Bernard already.
I'm just thinking, do you gotta get like a learner's permit and then get
What
your
you gotta
regular?
get? Anybody get fired? Nah, I'm straight. All right, this is dope, man. First Tulsa's. So you know we just hit the, I think it's 100 and something years, man. Tulsa's first black mayor. Salute to that. Shout out to my dog Tobe. He was out there. Tulsa's first black mayor proposes $100 million trust for black Wall Street massacre descendants, man. Let's go into this, man. Let's dig into this.
On my 104th day in office, I signed an executive order recognizing today, June 1st, as Tulsa Race Massacre Observance Day in the city of Tulsa. And on this first day of observance, I'm announcing that my office has been working alongside our legal department on the establishment of the Greenwood Trust, a private charitable trust that will raise and facilitate the investment of $105 million in private funds along our road to repair, restoration, and righteousness. With the descendants of Greenwood victims at the center and our survivors, the trust will invest in affordable housing and home ownership by raising a $24 million fund of investment that's in alignment with the Beyond the Apology Commission recommendations. We will also invest in cultural and historic preservation by investing $60 million to preserve Greenwood's history through place-based projects, including our investment in surviving entities from the massacre and other cultural landmarks. The trust will also be involved in economic development and education by establishing a $21 million endowment for educational scholarships, small business grants, no-interest loans, and continuing the work to bring closure to the families of the victims through our commitment to the mass grave investigation.
Man, that's so dope, man. I'm glad that the two queens, I think one of them is 104 and one of them is 106. Imagine, bro, like pleading with these folks, bro. And they keep shutting you down. Black man coming up, man, 104 days in office. He said, hey, we gotta make this right. Come on, man. Come on, y'all. Let's salute to that, y'all. Come on, man. What's right is right. So I actually want to do a field trip out there, dog. I know a couple people out there from when I went out there. I still talk to one of the OGs out there. My only thing is like, is what? Yeah, I don't want to be liable, man. I got to find out, we got to get a corporate attorney to figure out what is our liability for these grown-ass adults.
Insurance.
You feel what I'm saying?
Don't need no cases.
Look, Bernard, he looked over.
No cases, no
What
parties.
is my liability for these grown-ass adults that's going to go? Because I think we could do something like, host an event and do like a field trip. So we could tour it and then like do an event one day. Like have a one-day event and then do a tour one day. So we do like a VIP night where we meet up, we do an event one day, and then the last day we do the tour where we go through, or we do a 2-day tour or something like that. You feel what I'm saying? So I just got to
take a nice little bus out that joint. Take a nice
I
little
just got to
bus.
figure out what the liability would be on that, because you get a bunch of black people. It's supposed to be, stuff just start happening.
Just like, yo, we celebrating.
Yeah,
You know?
we celebrate drop. Whoa, wait a minute.
Take that shirt off. Do not wear certified Wall Street Trappin
They had a
merch.
bunch of Wall Street look like us now shirts.
Right.
Wait a minute.
Right.
Wait a minute.
In Tulsa.
Wait a minute.
At the clubs, at the bar.
Wait a minute. It was a Wall Street Trapper. Whoa.
Shorty had hers wrapped up around her stomach.
Yeah, I definitely want to, and I've been wanting to do that for a minute, man. I'm going to do it. You got to be in one of the communities, though. So, yeah, man, that's definitely something I want to do, man. I'm going to call the OG tomorrow, man, and just check on him, see how you doing. But this massive, man. $104 million fund. Come on, man. Got to salute to that.